So now, yes, we're definitely going to video this. It looks like he must have left some electrical stuff on in a building or something. I don't know. And the march forward, they're down there. I know, crazy stuff, crazy stuff.
Is this the site of the new jail, proposed jail, juvenile jail?
I don't know, maybe, yeah. So what we're going to do is there are things that are still flammable in there, still combustible. Don't get too close, man. So I'm sure the fire department will be here shortly. Ah, no new youth jail. Okay, yeah, so this is I guess the proposed site for the youth jail. And what I'm hearing is quite a few people expressing dismay at the... Watch out, watch out! Expressing dismay over this I got the fire chief or city. I think this is city. Yeah, King County Metro Transit Service supervisor just passed by. I hear sirens, so we will just let them come on. Hey, be careful! There's still things exploding in there. You got a good vantage point over here.
So wonderful. So wonderful. So glad.
I understand the rage and frustration that people get for this. Fire trucks are on the way. I totally and 100% understand the rage and frustration that has led to things like this. But please also take in mind that there's nobody here. There's nobody at the site. It's a weekend. Nobody's working. Oh, okay, never mind. That's a ambulance. I'm sorry, I lied. Medic 1. It is spicy, that's for sure. It is definitely spicy. This is going to create spice. So again, this is over at the proposed, well, I guess it's no longer proposed, they're actually building it, the youth jail, which is one of the demands that has been part of the protest, has been no new youth jail. So we have, oh boy, we got the men in black. Well, actually, we've got the men in riot gear. I'm not gonna lie. And they're government vehicles. Government vehicles. They are not messing around here. They got their riot gear, and we're just gonna keep streaming as long as we can. And we're gonna stay out of the way of the medics, and we're gonna stay out of the way of these guys until they push us away. We got the fire trucks coming in. Now, do notice we're like right here. Whoop. Big power pole right by it. So there's our fire truck. And the police are directing traffic. And they're bringing the truck down. We also have some of our summer gear, our summer riot gear cops. We also have SWAT. Moving the cone.
Everybody back!
There with.
Keep moving! Keep moving!
We're gonna back up just a little bit. Okay.
This all right? Keep going. All the way back.
Okay.
Go back to the edge of the building. How about that?
Oh, okay. That's a good spot.
That means you. That means you. All the way back.
It's a good spot to the building. I like that one. That's a good.
The corner of the fence. Keep going. You're moving back. Move your vehicle forward. Thank you.
Safety. Okay. Yeah. How are you doing? Doing good? Doing good, guys? Hold on. All right. Bear with. I'm going to hoist you up a little bit. It's a good one, isn't it? If you ever want it right, you just follow the pros.
What'd you say, honey?
If you ever want a good one, just follow the pros, right?
Yeah.
And this is the next building over. I'm going to assume that some folks just got overzealous and aimed for the wrong place. How y'all doing so far? I know, it's not pretty. It is not pretty indeed. Got all the pro photographers that are out here taking their money shots, and I guess as soon as they're uploaded will be the paycheck response. Whew. Good heavens. So definitely looks like they're flushing out. They got a hydrant down here. They also have a hydrant right here that they're working on. We've got a whole bunch of fire vehicles that are putting this out. We have our SWAT folks here. We have our normal SPD here doing crowd control, and they're working on getting this. It looks like it's a couple of fires going on. Oh my goodness gracious. There you go. Calendar. Now see there, that's why you want to be a fireman. The weather is really warm today. And there was a judge that made some decisions last night that will directly affect the protesters in less healthy ways and more along the lines of like the Portland folks did. So they'll definitely have some mixed feelings, some angry feelings about that. So we have a officer here. Woo, hey. Can't tell if it's the weight or if it's my. Come on, buddy. we go. I think my battery's trying to die. If it falls down one more time, I'm gonna hook it up. And anyway, let's see where we are. So we got the pumper trucks. They're doing their thing. Looks like we got one fire out.
Ma'am, you're gonna have to back up.
Sure.
All the way to the other edge of the building, please.
Oh, okay. So now we're being asked to move back to the other edge, because you know, that's okay. Hey, look what I found. I found Hot Fireman Day. What? On a Saturday? Yeah, oh yeah. He's working that hose. He's working this long hose. So we had some more damage. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Damage on the windows here, and there's some graffiti. I'm walking. And there's more glass breakage here and here. There's a fence down here. You got more over here. And they're escorting us down to the edge. And there's a really hot vehicle down there. That's like one of those super secret ones.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
No problem. And we got the more over here. We've got some glass breakage, some spray paint. Of course, that stuff might have been there before I even got here, so hell, it could have been here before the protest even came through. We have the white smoke, lots and lots of white smoke. So they got us way back here now in Africa. I know, right? It's like too far. I got just a little bit now. I got just a little bitty. There we go. A little bit of the smoke left, and and now since this road is like officially all blocked off, I can walk across the street without a problem. And so you see, bear with a second. Let me see if I can get a high shot on this. Hold on. Come on, phone. There we go. Check it out. We had a really great protest going, and what we ended up with is now a distraction. We've got something else that's going to be paid attention to rather than the protest, and they're going to, focus on this rather than the protest or the point of the protest. Which, if you think about it, is kind of sad. So the smoke is dissipated now. Smoke is dissipated pretty good. It looks like that it's out. Nothing else is burning. We'll just have to go through and just make sure that they get all the icky stuff put up. And you know, I keep seeing people that are following, and I don't notice it a lot, because a lot of times I'm just simply not looking at the screen. But for the people that are clicking follow, I want to thank you very, very much for following. It's not a requirement. But definitely I thank you for that. So in there, let's see here. Where's the other one? So I wanna go look at this really hot vehicle, because this thing is just bomb diggity. Not even gonna lie. You gotta see this joker. This is beautiful. So the police are wandering through the parking lot. That there was some vehicles that were spray painted. But hey, you know, insurance is a requirement in Washington State, so. But look at this, look at this. That's a nice one. Wow. That's like one of those you make TV shows out of, you know? That's nice. That's the SWAT vehicle. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Isn't that cool? Is that cool or what? Look at those tires. Look at those tires, man. Those things are giants. 355s. 20s. Those are 20s. Those are on 20-inch rims. Are those cool or what? Those are some nice-ass rims. Nice-ass tires, too. I bet they cost a fortune. Okay, come on, buddy. There we go. Okay. Wow. So, honestly, I have no idea where the protest went. If you can see. Oops. Got just a little bit of smoke. Nothing major. All put out. And I remember as we discovered it, there were many people who were participating in the protest expressed negative thoughts about this. They were very they did not think this was a good idea. They did not think that any events that played towards this happening was a good thought process. Many black elders that were marching in the protest were expressing dismay over this, as well as white allies that were also expressing dismay. So you see the smoke is pretty much disappeared now. And we have our Bob the Hot Fireman. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There he is. Whoo boy. Bob the Hot Fireman playing with his hose. Maybe we should get an emote for Bob the Hot Fireman. That would be cool. I could work with that. I could work with that. That would be nice. So yeah, they're already putting the hose up, and the main SWAT doozers have there they go right now. That's our SWAT doozers. They're heading out. That's pretty much a non thing at this point.